Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to show you this 10 by 20 outdoor waterproof canopy. I'll show you guys how to set this up. We'll go over all the specs and do a full review, so let's get started. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box. Alright, let's start off by assembling the storage bag. The storage bag also acts as a dolly, so there's going to have a couple wheels to assemble. To begin this process, locate the hardware that's included. You're going to start off by inserting a wheel, then a spacer. We're going to locate the bottom of the storage bag and slide it through the brackets. Install another spacer and the wheel. Then we're going to tighten it down with the included wing nut. And just slightly tighten down that wing nut so your wheels can still spin. Now I'll go over the assembly process of the canopy itself. You're going to have the main frame here. We're going to get this spread out, not fully, but about halfway. And then we're going to install the canopy on top before we fully pull this apart. This process is done a little bit easier with two people. I'm going to attempt to do this one by myself. This is a 10 by 20, so it's going to be a little bit of a more difficult project here. But if you do have somebody to give you a hand, I recommend that. So just start by pulling it apart. Then we're going to locate the canopy and place it over the top. Without having the frame fully extended, this process is a little bit easier to do. So the outside or the top side of this canopy is a green colored. It's like a grayish green. It comes in 4 different colors. The inside or underneath is going to be a silver reflective looking liner. That's how you can tell which is top and bottom. You're going to carefully place it over the top of the frame. You want to locate the cross stitching. Remember here, the reinforcement. Find your poles. There's 2 higher poles on both sides of your frame. Place them over the center. Once you have your canopy located roughly in place, we can go ahead and fully extend the frame now. Just work each corner. If you have 2 people, it's easier. You can get 1 on each corner and just start spreading it out. But for this situation and the installation process, it's just going to be me. For the next step, locate all the corners and center posts. Find the Velcro and loop it around each corner and each center post and Velcro it down so that your canopy stays in place. It just wraps over and around. We'll do that for the rest of them. For the next step, you want to locate the corners. You want to pull up on this cross member until this blue lock button snaps into this little hole here. Just like that. You can see it popped up, and then to release it, you just push it back in and release. Let's pull it up till it locks in. Now we'll go around and do the other 5 legs. Now we can go around and extend the legs and raise the canopy. I like to stand on the base and just pull up on the leg until it locks into the first notch. And we'll go around and do that for the rest of the legs. Here's just a quick look at it now with the legs extended. Now we want to go around and anchor all of the corners with the supplied stakes. Then we can secure the sides of the canopy with the little clips and elastic inside these little holes here. And then finally we can go around and secure the canopy to the frame with all the Velcro straps. And here is a final look at our canopy. Just do a little walk around here so you guys can get an idea of what it'll look like.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
We'll climb up inside now. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
If you're going to be using this canopy in windier environment, I suggest using the included rope and extra ground anchors that come with it to secure it, as well as these sandbags that you can fill up and then they Velcro onto the bottom of the corner posts to help secure and give it a little extra added weight. Now let's go over the specs of this canopy. This canopy measures 10 feet by 20 feet. And the height is adjustable from 6'3" to 6'9". This canopy shown here today is in the gray-green color. There are 4 different colors to choose from. The fabric is made of a 120D Oxford fabric, waterproof, with a silver coating interior lining. It uses a sturdy metal frame. This 10 by 20 canopy weighs in at just over 75 pounds. So it does include a handy carrying bag with dolly wheels on it and uses a white accent trim. This canopy is large enough for birthday parties, family reunions, or any outdoor gatherings. You can easily fit 3 to 4 tables underneath it and up to 20 people. Assembly takes less than 20 minutes with 2 people. The interior of this canopy can reach 10 foot 5 inches tall, giving you plenty of headspace for even the tallest of your guests. And I like that the interior uses a silver lining. It keeps it cooler inside by reflecting the heat and light. The height adjustments uses thumb screws. You can just simply press it in and you have 3 different height adjustments. And it uses a thumb screw to raise and lower the canopy for disassembly. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this 10 by 20 outdoor canopy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. The nice thing about this canopy is it does come in 4 different colors to suit anybody's color needs. And setup and takedown is quite simple. I recommend using 2 people. It gets the job done a little bit easier. With the included dolly storage bag, it makes moving this canopy to any location a breeze. If you guys want to check out this canopy, I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.